And this is the Body Shop Advent Calendar. It is the Share the Love Big Advent Calendar. Let's open this. It is super beautiful. Day number 1 is right here. I'm going to say a hand cream. And we have... This one is the Shea hand cream. We also had this last year. I have used all of it. It is one of my favorite hand creams. So I'm very happy that I found it again in the advent calendar. This is moisturizing, lightweight, it's not sticky. So perfect for a hand cream. The price for this advent calendar is 95 euros and we have 24 products. Door number 2 here. I'm gonna say a lip balm. Ta-da! I was very close. This is the strawberry lip butter. It smells absolutely fantastic and this one is very nice on the lips. Door number 3. I'm guessing that it is a face oil. Nope. This one is the British Rose Shower Gel. My husband loves the shower gels by Body Shop. This one smells amazing. I'm gonna keep it for my husband and this one is a mini. Door number 4. This one is very lightweight. I'm thinking that it is a sheet mask. Oh, it is. I don't know why I was looking like this. And this is the Vitamin E Quench Sheet Mask. This one is biodegradable and suitable for all skin types. I have used it again and it is very hydrating. So let's go find door number 5. Okay, here it is. Oh, maybe it is that fizzing star. Yeah, let's see. Nope. So this is a chamomile sumptuous cleansing butter with calming chamomile extract, suitable for sensitive skin. It doesn't have a scent. We have 20 milliliters. I'm guessing this is a mini size. Oh yeah, so this one can gently melt away makeup and impurities. Door number 6. This is also very lightweight. I'm gonna say a sheet mask again, because they have a lot of sheet masks. This is the organically grown cotton muslin cleansing cloth. You can use it with the cleansing butter to remove the makeup on your face. And I'm curious to see the size of it. Oh, it is actually like a cloth. I was expecting something like a sponge, but it says cloth. I like that we have both of the products that we need to remove makeup. Moving on to day number 7. It sounds like a hand cream. Found it. This is a coconut hand cream. I have used this one again and it smells absolutely fantastic. Oh my god, it smells so good. The hand cream is fast absorbing and non-sticky. Day number 8. This is huge. I'm gonna say a shampoo. This one is the Shea shampoo for dry to very dry hair for intense repair. We have 250 milliliters. This is a full size. I have also tried the banana shampoo by the Body Shop and it is actually very nice for my hair. So let's sniff this one. Oh my god, it smells so nice. We have here day number 9. I'm going to say a face oil again. It's not. This is the pink grapefruit shower gel. We have 60 milliliters. It is the mini size. This is a very grapefruity scent. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I'm gonna keep it for my husband. And then we have day number 10. It's very lightweight. Oh my god, I know what it is. It is a loofah for the shower. Let's see. Found it! It says here we have replaced our plastic bath lilies with ramai, a natural plant-based fiber. I'm curious to try it. I have stopped using lilies because my skin is very dry. This one has a very soft fabric, so I'm guessing that you can also wash it with your clothes. Up next, day number 11. I think it is a lip butter. Nope. This is a coconut bath bubble. It is coconut fragranced. We have 28 grams of product. This is a full size and it smells very nice. I'm keeping this for Food Days Pass. Day number 12. I'm gonna say again a lip butter. This is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. We have 15 milliliters. This is a mini size and I have actually used it yesterday on my face. After a couple of minutes it starts drying on your face and you cannot move it at all, but after you rinse it off it feels amazing and you're going to notice that your skin is more hydrated, also smoother. Very nice product. Day number 13. This is the Shea Shower Cream. We have a mini again. The difference between between shower creams and shower gels is that the shower cream has a creamy consistency and it is very gentle for your skin. I prefer them because I have dry and sensitive skin. I have actually used all of mine, so I'm gonna sniff it. This one smells fantastic. Then number 14, I have no clue for this one. Oh my god, I would have never guessed it. This one is the strawberry soap with strawberry juice. It is a full size. We have 100 grams of product. Oh my god, it smells so nice. The strawberry products have the most amazing and delicious scent of strawberries. Door number 15 is very lightweight. I'm gonna say a sheet mask. I'm right. This one is the Aloe Calm Sheet Mask. After 15 minutes, sensitive skin feels hydrated, settled and soothed. I think I haven't used this again. Maybe it is a new product. And let's go to day number 16. This is very soundless. I hope it's not as crunchy. We have a headband. This one is made out of recycled polyester. I think it's gonna fit me. Nice. And the color is very Christmassy. Okay, this is very soft and nice for a spa day. Door number 17. What is this? My hair. I'm gonna say a lip butter. Nope. This is the British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask. I have never tried this one before. Oh my god, it smells so good. This one contains 15 milliliters. It is a mini size. You can use it maybe 10 times. Door number 18. I think it is a fizzing star in grapefruit. Found it. This one is the pink grapefruit bath bubble. And this one is a full size. Day number 19. I'm guessing it is a mini body butter. Very specific. Oh my god, I found it. Okay, so this one is the Shea Body Butter for very dry skin, and with this one you can have 96 hours nourishing moisture. They have changed the packaging of the body butters and you can also reuse them. Oh my god, it smells so good. A couple of months ago my skin was so sensitive and the body butters by the Body Shop were the only products that I could use. This is one of my favorite products by the brand. Day number 20. I'm gonna say a mascara. It's not. This is the British Rose Petal Soft Hand Cream with essence of hand-picked roses from Britain. Let's sniff this one as well. Oh my god, it smells so good. Moving on to day 21. This one sounds like a shower gel, a mini shower gel. This is a mango shower gel. Oh yeah, it smells like mangoes. I don't like the mango scent either, so you know what happens. My husband gets it. And day 22 here. They also have a coffee mask, so I'm gonna say that one. Nope. And we have here the British Rose Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub. I have never tried this one. Oh, it looks delicious. And it has the same scent. We have a lot of British Rose products. They smell nice, so it's okay. And let's find day 23. This is heavy. I'm gonna say a toner. This is a vitamin E gentle facial wash with protective vitamin E. This one is a full size and you can use it for all skin types. I have tried this one again, but I don't remember if I like it. I have to use it again. I said before that we have 24 products, but we have 25, so stay tuned. This is a sheet mask for sure. Yes, and this is the Vitamin C Glow Sheet Mask. After 15 minutes, grumpy skin feels hydrated, awakened and healthier. I have tried this one again and it is amazing. Day 25, I think it is a full size of body butter. This one is the Avocado Body Butter for dry skin and it can provide 96 hours nourishing moisture. I think the avocado products are new, so let's sniff this. It smells very nice. I have tried a lot of scents for the body butters and they don't irritate my skin, so I'm happy that I have a big one. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 3 stars. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite product of today's video. Mine is the avocado body butter. And you can watch next the Cult Beauty advent calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!